Sa Walmart.
Ayaw niya yung sa Walmart.
Ayun niya.
Ayaw niya yung Asian talaga. Naku, uwi muna tayo ng Philippines bago tayo makakain yan.
Maraming dyan, dalawa ang Asian store dito, dyan sa 38 at saka doon sa Buffalo, oh. Napuntahan yun na po.
Alam na yun ni Dan. Dinadala. Ano, parang tatlo yata dito.
Oh, kayong bago doon sa isa.
Saan ba yung plaza na? Kaso lang wala din. Doon kami nagpunta natin. Wala silang maraming.
Kahit saan man sila, te. Doon, oh, dyan, oh. Yan, oh. Dami dyan po.
Naiwan ko na lang dyan.
Oh, pwede naman. Pwede din diretso.
Kasi alam mo naman yung paa ko.
Hindi, tutulungan ko na po. Dalhin mo lang yung bag. Ako na ang bahala dito lahat.
Hindi, meron yata yung laman.
Merong ano, meron siyang ampalaya.
Mainit lang.
Mainit na. Sana ako na lang nagdala lahat niyan para maano ka. Dahan-dahan ka lang po.
Kahit may sasakyan nito, nahirapan dito.
Daming ano, talbos.
Nang?
Alugbati.
Oo. Ito na dyan.
Dami pa talbos na. Meron pong, tingnan nyo po yan ate, oh. Lemongrass po yan lahat, oh. Dami lemongrass dyan. Hindi, okay ra. Nakatulog naman ako kasi alauna naman ako nagtulog. Gumising lang ako. Tapos mamaya, tutulog na naman ako uli. Okay lang naman. Meron na siyang anak eh.
Oo nga, nakita ko.
Andito na siya. Hindi ka pa na ano. Dahil kung ano inanuhan ko to dito te para paglakad mo merong ano daanan. Ha?
Hi, Julian.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How about you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
You got tomatoes for me this year?
There's a tomato. You can look over there, but it's not. It's not. Some of it is not ripe, but some
I'm
is
not,
ripe.
I'm not ready yet. I gotta make some
Yeah.
room in my freezer.
Oh.
Maybe a couple weeks, maybe.
That's good. That you still have vegetables. Oh no, tomato.
You at home?
Yeah,
I got some, yeah.
that's good.
But I'll get some more if you got more.
Yeah.
For winter time.
Are you having fun, Ate Marilyn?
Yeah, but my back is aching right now.
I told her I'm gonna clean up here so that she can walk
Okay.
good here.
How's college going?
It's good. It's so busy.
What are you taking to college?
Business?
Oh, okay, that's good. How's the massage going? Good?
It's good.
Pretty busy, huh?
Yeah. That's why if there's the one who will come here, they should call me or message me in advance so that I'm making sure that I will be here.
Oh, I see. Wow, look at that spider. Is that spider? Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Okay.
My back is aching. Huh?
Is it? You want me to put some?
Sign of aging.
You want me to put some?
Yeah, it's okay. I told Jubilin.
With the sweet potato? Yeah. Maybe you could show me.
Yeah, you can only bury the whole sweet potato and they will grow.
Can I cut them up though?
No,
I have to plant the whole thing?
I think it's up to you, but mine, I put whole.
The whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever
Every-
try cut in half?
I did not try, but some of it that it's just like almost rotten, it still grow.
I was
But
gonna
don't
do
put a lot of water, just like moist only.
that. Do you start them first in water or you just plant the whole thing?
I plant the whole thing in the soil.
I want to try the Asian sweet, the purple one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that one Ate Marilyn get, that's a purple one from the Asian.
They're expensive to buy.
Yeah,
So I will.
but I don't have. Yeah, I have a couple there that I think from last year. I have still there that I can show you how I did.
Okay.
Na, magkuha tag upo te. Alit te.
This is like the cinnamon, right?
Tanglad te. Magkuha pa ko og kanang kuan nimo kanang
This will keep okay, right?
sus kadaghan pati og kanang kuan no.
Okay, mahirap kunin. Madami. Hindi ko na alam saan ko ako banda. Balik na lang ako nito.
Dami pa. Siguro magkuan ako nito, magkanang gisa ba. Meron namang manok doon, karding manok. Ang laki ng mga dahon, di ba? Ang ganda. Oh. Sabi nga nila yung sa Asian store may binibintang puro lang dahon.
Oh?
Yan ang sabi nila. Lagay daw sa ziplock. May nakita din ako doon yung ano ba, yung parang yung sweet potato na ano, yung talbos na parang binablanch.
Ah. Pwede ito kunin?
Oh, kunin mo yan kung anong gusto mo. Mas ano nga yan eh, dahon pag ulit. Kung gusto, yung upo po, dito po, te.
Isa lang, Diyo.
Oh. Ito, meron dito, pero meron doon, mas medyo malaki-laki na. Di pa,
Ay, ako yung masyadong malaki.
oh, ito. Yan siya. Tapos meron doon na medyo malaki-laki. Tingnan mo yan. Ito, medyo maliit pa naman, pero meron doon. Yan. Ayan o, iganunin mo.
Ay, oo, maliit. Lagyan natin yan. Awan ko sa'yo.
Hindi, ipatingin ko sa'yo yung isa kung gusto mo. Halika dito kung gusto mo lang. Piliin kita. Yeah?
Pili ko sa'yo yung tomato. Ginawa ko yung tomato sauce.
Oh.
You still have chicken?
Ha, yeah.
We forgot to bring the eggs.
I know.
Next
Next time.
time.
Don't forget to bring.
Yeah, I'll bring next time.
Ako na lang po ang kukuha, te. Tingnan nyo na lang po sa may likuran kung gusto nyo.
That's asparagus, Tommy?
Yeah. Kinain yung mga mais, the chip, I think the groundhog eat my corn over there.
Oh, you
That's
still
why,
got groundhog?
yeah, that's why I brought some of the corn already. Kani ba te, oh, dako ra kay ni? Tingnan mo. Ganito kalaki siya.
Okay na na siya, Diyo.
Okay na to?
Isa lang.
Mhm.